Alright, so problems like this, if you want to see how much more something's going to cost or less something's going to cost, you're just going to multiply each item by how many more you're selling. So like, let's look at example 1, and hopefully it'll make more sense, because I know what I just said did not. Number 1, a computer consultant charges a flat fee of $125 plus $75 per hour. And then this is the equation. It's $75 per hour plus this $120 fee. Based on this model, how much will the total charge increase if he works an additional 5 hours? So all I want to do is take this 5 hours and I want to multiply it by how much it costs per hour. I don't even care about this 125. I just want to know how much more it's going to cost. So I'm going to do 5 times 75 because it's 75 per hour. So 5 times 75, it's going to cost an extra, what did I get? $375. Okay, let's look at this one. Drew's buying a photo book from an online store. The book costs $20 plus $1.50 for each page. Okay, so again, here's my cost. It's $20 plus an extra $1.50 for each page. If he wants to add 5 pages, how much more will it cost? So again, all I want to do is take 5 pages and multiply it by how much it costs per page. So this 20 is extra info. I don't need that. I need the $1.50 because it's $1.50 per page. So I would do $1.50 times 5 because he wants to add 5 pages. So this would cost an extra $7.50. So again, take however much you're adding, okay? I want to know how much 5 pages cost and multiply it by the amount that it costs. So you watched it and you still missed 37. I want you to try these 3 problems. You don't have to write down the whole problem. You can just write down one and tell me if it's A, B, C, or D. Also, if you missed 37, write down what you think the correct answer should have been and why you missed it. For this one, for domain, you want to graph it and then you want to see where it touches the x-axis because domain is x. So let's look at this first one. I'm going to type it in. -16, I'm going to use an x squared plus 16x plus 96. I'm going to graph that. So this is it. It goes up in the air and it comes back down. And I want to know what's the domain. So technically it goes from -2 to +3. But look at what we're talking about. We're talking about throwing something up in the air. Okay? So this means the time that it's in the air. So it's up, up, up in the air, it lands, lands, lands. Okay? Can it be shot at -2 seconds? Can you have -2 as a time? No. Time starts at 0. So time is going to go from 0 to 3. So for this one, the answer should be C. So I want you to see that and not get confused. If you're talking about time, it's not going to be at -2 because you can't have -2 time. Okay? Time starts at 0. So that one is C. Sometimes they'll be nice and they'll go ahead and give you the graph. So let's look at this. Again, what's the domain? So we're talking about a path of an object that goes up in the air and it lands. And again, I can't have a -1 time. So I'm going to start at 0 and then it lands at 7. So it's going to be all numbers from 0 to 7. All right, let's look at this one. This is the one most like the one on the test. So -x squared plus 36x. This is a thing going up in the air again. Alright, so I can see where it goes up, but I cannot see where it lands. Alright, so if you have a problem like this, we know it's going to be a big number. So an easier way, I think, to do this is do second graph. Now, if you graph it and you can see it where it lands, then yeah, use the graph. But if you can't, so watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep going down. So the ball's going up, 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 up. It keeps going up. See, I'm looking at my Y's. My Y's keep going up, 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 up. Oh, now look. Now it's starting to go down. So I want to keep going down until it lands. So again, I'm looking at my Y's. I'm going to keep going down until it lands. And right there, it lands at 36. So my domain would be all numbers from 0 to 36. So if you cannot see the graph, second graph is what you want to do, and you just want to look here and you want to see where does it land. Where does your y equal 0? So if you watch the video and you still miss 38, I want you to try these 4 problems. Again, you can just tell me number 1 is A, B, C, or D, 2 is A, B, C, or D. And then also if you missed 38, write down what you think the correct answer should have been and why you think you missed it.